folks, my name is Adrian Rose from Northwest Bushcraft. As you know, we're product ambassadors for Ridgeline Clothing, and they've asked us to come up with a short series of videos for some great bushcraft tips and tricks to give you guys in about 60 seconds. Okay, so today's tip and trick is about how to get much better feather sticks. Traditionally, the people we see on the courses would use a knife, and they really struggle with that. So to ease the frustration, we came up with an idea about using a spoon knife instead. So what we have here is a nice straight piece of timber. In this case, it's pine. And all you need to do is just wrap the spoon knife around and just start paring off lots and lots of nice fine curls. Don't even need to look because it's all working fine. And now we have the makings of a start of a great feather stick.